Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I finally got my Nautique back, my ski Nautique. Heck yeah, you could probably see it behind me. I'm not too excited though. It was $3,110 to fix. Yeah, not cool. That's a lot of money I could have spent paying off a car, this truck, or whatever else I guess I wanted to pay off. Kind of bummed out. So, we're on our way home. Got the Nautique behind us. And we're gonna hopefully get this puppy out on the water today. Didn't expect it to cost that much money though. I was thinking in the realm of $2,500, no more. So, I don't even want to talk about it anymore. But, hey, we're going to get the Nautique on the water here. I just have to take it back to the shop, clean it up a little bit. I guess it purrs like a kitten. So, we're going to get it back on the water here. First time in a Nautique for me in like 20 years. So, I'm really, really excited to get this baby on the water. But we're looking at a 5.8 liter Ford-derived V8. Suited to marine sport. It puts out about 315 horsepower. It's a real beast of a machine. And the boat itself is a sport Nautique. I still call it a ski Nautique, so it's a sport Nautique 210. It's a 21-foot boat. It has 2 ballast tanks in the rear, so it's kind of a do-it-all boat. And I'm really excited to get it out on the water here. But just towing the boat is very heavy. I have to say, wowee. So, next time you see me, we'll be launching this baby in the lake. Alright guys, here we go folks. After a long awaited journey, we've got the Nautique out on the water. Runs like a top. This baby is purring. That Ford V8, 5.8 liter. Beautiful day on the lakes here. Cruising along at about 25 miles per hour, making a great wake. It's nice to get back out on the lake. That V8 sounds great too. We'll slow her down. Sounds really good. Boat's balanced nice. That V8 sounds really good. Oh my goodness. Very impressive. I'm impressed. Impressed with myself for finding this boat. Got it a little dirty, but there we go. A real nice cruiser indeed on the water. Dad should be coming with the Ram truck here any minute. We should see him. Sounds nice, runs well. It's a sweet ride. Now we just got to see if it fits on the boat lift. Sharp turn here, look at this. Woo! We got a little bit of water coming in from the wind. Nice, nice. Very nice. It's a well put together machine.